as the conclusion of the game. And I'm here with all the athletes. Cameras, please move out. Cameras, athletes.
Meghalaya, one moment.
Come.
Hey.
Ka Manipur kala yo eka nam kum kala adu lani ka overall champions ban yo ban penne eka nam la adu baka yo ban bad haka North East Olympic Games arajar khatphra ka Manipur kala yo ban khor hadu phrapu phratli kitak maksiar hinyau pusan kitak marupa ban hinyau punyau tli kitak marnong kat baka samban ka bawan haka Kyrdan ka baar kala yo reki hinyau pukhandai tli kitak maksiar hendri phuwe tli kitak marupa ban hendri phulai tli kitak marnong ka Arunachal Pradesh kane haka Kyrdan ka balai dakil lai pukhandai tli kitak maksiar lai puhndri kitak marupa ban lai punyau kitak marnong ka Meghalaya kala yo ka Kyrdan ka Basaw daki lai puhndri tli kitak maksiar lai pusan tli kitak marupa ban hinyau pupra tli kitak marnong ya kate kalumpung lawan ban penha perdaru chief patron jaga games menteri rang ba kajela Konrad K Sangma ladan lang ru ba ban tidor lingdo ba renikton lingdo tongkar u Abdus Saleh ba Kimfa S Marbanyang MLA u Chief Secretary Kajila ba DP Walang Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Vijay Kumar D Director General Meghalaya Police Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi but Secretary General ka North East Olympic Association ba John F Kharshiye
There's a powerful feeling, the weight is in the air. Maybe I can't, I'm speaking to myself.
Maybe I'm just tired of it all. I'm getting work, just so I don't fall.
Then again, the voice between me can be right there. That's what you see. Getting the game, slipping today. Got it, got it, say.
Eight states of the Northeast, Arunachal, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura.
They have, in every short period of time, galvanized themselves to be a force to reckon with in every single discipline. The example of Meghalaya athletics team has been exciting for all to see, with the highest gold medal tally amongst the states. I applaud everyone responsible for the commitment and dedication to the craft that they have made this possible. I hope these games have provided the right platform to showcase the talents. We look forward to see them achieve greater things at national and international levels.
From the arrangements that have been made by the different officials and the different departments and the different teams that have made this games possible. I would also like to congratulate the athletes and the sports person. We have seen that this Northeast Olympics has not only raised the bar in terms of the kind of infrastructure, the kind of arrangements, and the kind of organization that has gone into the organizing of these games, but we have also seen that the athletes and sports person of the Northeast have performed exceptionally well. So many states have done so well in these games. I had the opportunity to watch the women's basketball final yesterday between Sikkim and Meghalaya. And I can tell you, the kind of standard that I saw yesterday in these games can be seen and matched with any national and international players. It was completely out of this world. And so not only have we managed to increase the overall standards of the infrastructure and logistics, but we have also seen that the athletes have raised the bar. You have performed exceptionally well. I watched the football final today of the men's football final between Mizoram and Meghalaya. What a game it was. The way the players were playing, the standards that they maintained, the skills that I saw, I can tell you, you are comparable to any of the players at international level. That's what we should all be proud of today. And this games, if the most satisfying thing for me is to be able to see this kind of talent come out today, it makes me proud to be a person from the Northeast. It makes me proud to see the talent that our youth have today. It makes me proud to see that even small states and states from Northeast can organize games and events that are comparable to any other national games or national events taking place in any other part of this country. And hence I congratulate each and every one of you for all the hard work that has gone in to make this possible. This is only possible when we work as a team. There is no compromise to teamwork. And this games has proven once again that if you are committed and if you work as a team, you dedicate yourself, nothing is impossible. So I thank all the team members, I thank all the athletes, I thank all the organizing committee members, I thank all our volunteers, all our Rangba Shillongs and headmen, each and everyone who has made this particular tournament possible today. Friends, another really great feeling I get today when I see this tournament happening. It is a celebration of the youth of the Northeast. That's the first thing I see. We are here to celebrate you. We are here to celebrate the youth. We are here to invest in the youth. You are at the center of what we want to do for the future of our state, our region, and our country. We are here to celebrate sports. Sports is something that is beyond just games. It's a way of life. And we want to promote and celebrate sports. And third, and very important, is we are here to celebrate the Northeast, the different cultures that we have. It was so wonderful to see so many of our brothers and sisters from so many different parts of the Northeast coming together, being part of this tournament and celebrating our separate cultures. Every time I went to any of the games, I could see that pride, I could see that entire the pride of the Northeast come out in every single state and every single fan.